All right. We're going to do some more layout and design. As you can see, I've already got it laid out to an extent. But what I wanted to show here was basically I cannot, once again, transfer the pattern with paper. I'd really like to. It would save a bunch of time, but I can draw it well enough. So as you can see, I've drawn basically my two scroll bodies. I don't have to do much more than that. This is kind of an old-fashioned English scroll. Inside of the little C shape there, I will do my bouquet. As far as layout, I think I'm gonna show you how I just need to put my cuts in there. I'll put a little bit of a flare cut as the belly of my leaf. So if you want to watch that for a few moments, I'll get on it. I'm just going to try to make sure my spacing's fairly even on each one. Those will work. They don't have to go down very far because they're gonna all have cap cuts on them. Just trying to be rhythmical, put them all basically in the same place. I will have to go in and cut the backbone of my scroll, but I'm just showing you how I lay out my little belly cuts. Everybody does this a little different. Some guys will bring their belly cut way down. I like them kind of short. I just like the way it looks. I don't necessarily always use my power assist. I can push these in just fine. I like the silence. I like the quiet. The big bold line there, that is my border. I want to know exactly where to stop all my work. I made it bold so that I could match up the different sides. And I'll go around to the other side and do the same thing. Enough said.